Namaste, Jagdish here. As part of our conversations on learning for transformation, we are entering the ultimate conversation here. That is episode 20. As planned, we are going to look at 20 discrete but interrelated conversations. These 20 conversations were to look at each individual aspect of learning and what actually causes learning. Also, they were all interrelated. So listeners were advised to either listen to each conversation as a discrete entity or see the connection in the whole conversation, which actually gives an essence of what learning is all about, at least from my perspective. Now, having looked at all these 19 conversations, probably it's important that we summarize everything. Some of the key elements that we have examined in all these conversations are this. Learning is something that happens natural. Learning is nothing but something that determines the quality of life itself. In fact, if you remember in one of the conversations, quality of life is determined by the quality of learning. Learning is about openness. And learning is also something that gets related to performance. How I perform in my life. When I say performance, I perform in my relationships, I perform in my career, I perform in my uh, academic programs that I participate in. I perform everywhere. I perform in terms of my emotions, etc., etc., etc. Performance is nothing but what integrates you into life. There is a pattern to all these things. If you sleep well, if you are able to withdraw well, if you have had a restful night, you have a more fruitful, active day. So that means the opposites are complementary here. A restful night is something that produces an active, eventful day. If the night has not been restful, probably the day doesn't become as active and as eventful. Something drags us back. To be able to complete the sleep itself, to be in completion with sleep, is something that generates life during the day for us. So, being able to complete, being able to do everything that you are doing 100% is a form of education, and this is what education is. Two, keep on examining what is not 100% in the way I am performing in my life is learning. To be able to see that you are not able to do 100% in things which we are supposed to do, which we are not supposed to do, is what is learning all about. So, this is something that we examined in terms of making sense of the outer world and making sense of the internal world. We are not getting into easy distinctions of intrapersonal and interpersonal. All these psychological theories, the classical nature of psychology itself, have been helpful in creating institutional mechanisms of learning. But here in these conversations, we were trying to interlace all these classical psychological aspects of learning into the way we start seeing life itself as learning. If I see life as competition, something where I have to struggle for survival, probably everything that I see as learning and education will be limited to qualifying some entrance exam. Not that it is unimportant. We jolly well realize that there are important questions, there are blunt questions in life which we do not want to ignore. We want to face it. We need to face it. But facing it doesn't mean that is all it is. It has something far beyond it. Or learning and education may appear like something like adjusting with the prevailing society. If the whole world is trying to dance ballet, I also try and learn dance so that I can integrate with the society there. If everybody dresses this way by wearing a t-shirt of this kind, let me also wear like that. These are all important ingredients in the world of agreement, but that is not what learning we were trying to cater to. Learning, essentially, we are looking at is performance. So, as educators, as teachers, as school leadership and management of education, one of the main things that we may have to examine is where is that I'm challenged in my performance. My ability and the challenges I face will have to be looked at with an equilibrium eye, with equanimity. I have these abilities, which also means I don't have some other abilities. I have these challenges to face, which means that I don't have other challenges to face. To keep on looking at the challenges freshly each day, this is the challenge I have in my life. Now, being able to look at all these challenges in life that we all as human beings face and we experience. I don't want you to take the word challenge negatively here. Challenge means something that we deal with in life. And the sincerity, arjava, the word is arjava, sincerity with which we deal with that is what causes learning. Learning is like a process of gardening. You create the entire process, you create the entire ambience for the flowering to happen. And this gardening process is about working what really matters to you in your life, what you really call as your life. We'll be stopping these conversations. I'll be inviting you for more such conversations, may not be only on education, but several aspects of learning and evolution of human life. Thank you so much for being with me. Namaste.